Demonetization happened in November 2016, and still people are debating over whether it was a good or bad step. Choked, directed by Anurag Kashyap, released on Netflix, and here I am, that movie guy, discussing it so you can decide to watch it or not. Stay tuned, guys. Plot: Choked is a story of struggles of a middle class bank employee who is struggling to pay the bills, finds a secret source of seemingly unlimited cash in her home. What unfolds a twists and turns in her life after the event of demonetization is the main plot of the movie. Choked is engaging and never loses your interest. Always keeps you in the process with the characters. It is another attempt by the prolific filmmaker to unpack contemporary socio-political themes. The good thing is, this movie never talks about the pros and cons of demonetization, but is a subtle attempt to show the struggles of a common people during that time. Spot on. Choked doesn't have the slapdash appearance of a lot of Kashyap's earlier work. Instead, it feels positively meticulous in its structure. The attention to detailing can easily be seen. Having confined not just his actors but also himself in a cramped apartment, Kashyap displays an unusually restrained visual approach. In a lot of the film's early bits, cinematographer's camera work seems to have been inspired by David Fincher's sleek work in Panic Room, gliding across kitchen counters and asserting omnipotence over the action. The background score by Karsh Kale is unusual but same time sublime and goes with the tone of the movie. Missed target. The one thing I find little unflattering is the underwhelmed ending of the movie. The build up throughout the movie made me wanting for a more happening and a satisfying climax. This can also be due to the big name associated with it. Choked is a minor film from a major filmmaker. Other than this, the movie does not disappoint with any other aspect. Cast. After a rather forgettable debut in 2016 with Rakesh Omprakash Mehraj Mirzya, Saiyami Khel's portrayal of a middle-class working woman is very impactful, and it is Saiyami Khel's film from start to finish. The actor brings instant warmth to Sarita that is vital to how Choked is perceived. We subconsciously support Sarita in her decision to stash the cash for herself. That's the craft of a filmmaker to engage the audience in characters' decision making. Roshan Mathew plays the role of a good-for-nothing husband lingering on his past and refusing to move on. It's a rather unforgiving character, but Roshan Mathew peppers Sushant's insecurity with a dash of dignity. Amruta Subhash is a breeze of fresh air in this sinking drama and provides comical relief. She is an elegant artist, which she has proved time and again. Choked might not be up there with the filmmaker's finest, but it's his most unusual movie. It is an absolute treat to watch and gives hope that Netflix can also produce engaging as well as entertaining Indian origin content. So, this was my take on the movie. Tell me what you all think in the comments down below. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and goodbye.